In our last class we discussed about simple clothing article. So today our topic is how to produce simple clothing article. Apron is a piece of clothing that you wear over the front of other clothes before you start cooking to prevent the cloth from getting dirty when cooking. Materials needed are brown paper, matching thread, calico, pin, measuring tape, scissors. Preparation of pattern and cutting out. Make a paper pattern of apron, belts, neckband pocket. Straighten the fabric. Fold the fabric into two with the right side together. Place pattern pieces on the fabrics. Pin the pattern pieces and cut out. Transfer all pattern markings to the fabric. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.